Again, Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. So, if you remember that we have started our chapter Gallant the Gallant Hound yesterday. Today we have already done words meaning of this chapter and word sentences. Now we will solve question answers of this chapter. So let's start. First of all, we are going to mention classwork and after that date, which is Wednesday, 20th January 2021. It's grade 5 lecture, subject English literature. Your textbook is read now. Topic Gelert the Gallant Hound, and exercise number 2, answer these questions. So now open your notebooks. As you can see in the picture what is happening over here. So it will be easy for you to recall the chapter. So now let's start. Okay, our first question is, what was the name of his favorite hound? If you remember the title name of the chapter, it is Gelert the Gallant Hound, so it will be easy for you to remember that. What was the name of his favorite hound? The name of his favorite hound was Gelert. Okay, why was dog famous throughout the land? Why was the dog famous? If you remember, the dog was famous due to it was very courageous, faithful, it has great speed, it was very helpful in many hours. In many time of need. So look at this. The answer will be the dog was famous for its courage, faithfulness, and great speed. Where did Llewellyn and his members pitch the camp? Where they pitched the camp? Obviously, they went for hunting, and they were hunting for the venison. So they pitched their camp in a valley in North Wales. Okay. So now the next question number 4. What did the party intend to hunt in the neighboring hills? I already explained that. The party intended to hunt in the neighboring hills. So what did the party intended to hunt in the neighboring hills? The party intended to hunt deer in the neighboring hills. To whom did Llewellyn leave the care of his child? He left his child in the care of his favorite dog Gelert. Where was the baby? The baby was in the cradle. Where was the baby? The baby was in the cradle. Now, which animal came to the camp in search of prey? A savage wolf came to the camp in search of prey. What did the Gallant do when the infant was about to attack? When the infant was about to be attacked, Gelert flung himself and attacked the wolf. As you can see in the picture that Gelert and the wolf are fighting with each other. The wolf are very fierce animal and they can easily tackle the hound, but the hound was very brave and faithful and he didn't care about himself, so it attacked the wolf to save the baby of its master. So we will only solve 8 questions today. Rest of the questions will be done tomorrow, inshallah. So if you have any kind of problem, you know how to contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.